Hello, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Yan, isang magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Yan, nais ko lang po ipakita sa inyo yung aking coffee shop. It's called Net Cafe. So this one, may plan. So, ganito pa lang siya ngayon, but in the right perfect time, it will become reality. So, kung sino po interesado sa inyo and gusto rin kung ano yung dream nyo, just let me know and I can help you. So, this one, look. Diba? Para siyang tunay na coffee shop. And this is the door. You have to go inside. See? Yeah. Just go in there. And this is the whole thing. Yan. Meron po tayong mga coffee, desserts, mini bites, hot drinks. Yan. Ganda, diba? Oh. Yan, meron pang mga cakes. May pa cakes pa si Mayora. Ito pa lang yung aking dream. But, in a perfect time, magiging dream come true na rin siya. So, kung meron kayong naiisip na gusto nyong gawin, just let me know. Gusto nyo ba ng bahay? Kung ano bang gusto nyong negosyo. Ayan. At affordable siya. Sige, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano. And, behind that, so, there's a control at the back. Yan. As you can see, ito yun. Yan yung nagpapailaw. O, diba? Patayin natin. Off. So, it is already off duty. Yeah. So, we have to turn it on. And you can see the lights. Lights on, please. Ang cute siya, diba? Yeah. Yan. And, yan yung aking mga sample. Kahit pang display lang muna. And this is my beautiful flower. My indoor flower. And, thanks sa aking teddy bear. Yung aking teddy bear is almost half now. See? Save din pag may time. Yan. Bye for now.